Welcome to Famral Sheets, the fast, powerful, and free online spreadsheet software designed for modern productivity. Famral Sheets offers a fast, powerful, and completely free online spreadsheet experience. This software is specifically designed to meet the demands of modern productivity, helping you work smarter. Managing your data shouldn't be complicated or a source of frustration. With Famral Sheets, you can easily create, edit, and organize spreadsheets with intuitive tools. Work seamlessly directly in your browser, without the need for complex software installations. Famral Sheets is packed with features to help you transform raw numbers into meaningful insights. Utilize smart formulas and automatic calculations to process your data efficiently and accurately. Create dynamic charts and apply clean formatting to visualize your data effectively. Turn complex numbers into clear, actionable insights that drive better decision-making. Our platform supports real-time collaboration and accessibility from anywhere. Access and edit your files from any device, ensuring you're always up to date. Say goodbye to annoying installations and technical hassles. Simply open your browser and start working. Famral Sheets is an integral part of the broader Famral Office ecosystem, integrating seamlessly with other tools. This integration helps you work smarter, faster, and more efficiently across all your tasks. Because your data deserves simplicity. Try Famral Sheets today